Before you begin your manicure, always wash and sanitize yours and your client's hands thoroughly. Next, trim your client's nails if they need it. My client is happy with her length, so I will begin shaping her nails with a 240 grit file. When shaping, try to use a long, continuous motion. It's best to start from one side wall and meet at the center of the nail. With Swiss Guard, push back the eponychium to reveal the true cuticle of each finger. When pushing back the cuticles, focus on the sidewalls. The sidewalls have a tendency to experience premature lifting. And be gentle. Let the product do the work for you. Your goal is to help loosen up dead cuticle growth from the nail plate. Once you're done, remove any residue left behind to keep the nail plate clean. Before you nip, grab your dexterity and remove any excess non-living tissue. Using the side of your dexterity, gently remove any excess you may have missed on the nail plate. Avoid using the point of your dexterity, as this can cause injury if you accidentally slip. Now, gently remove any hangnails or non-living tissue. If it's already lifted, it's okay to nip away. With the 220 side of the 220/280 flex, buff each nail. Focus on the cuticle area, and don't forget the sidewalls so you have a nice, clean surface to work with. Then, remove excess dust with a brush. Once nails are smooth, wipe down the nails one more time with NAS 99. Lastly, apply one coat of Band-Aid to each nail and let it dry. And voila! Now you're ready for gel color.